We're back here in my bathroom, and with my absolutely insane hair, which as you can see, has grown out since the last time I was filming this. That's because, well, you know, shit happens. I'm gonna blow dry this straight, and yeah, finally get to might try to do something like my last haircut, maybe a pixie cut, and that would be cute too. Hey! My hair has grown, and I'm sure so much of it has broken off too. And that's kind of a manifestation of what my last haircut was, except for this was all shaved off, and I had V-bangs. I don't have V-bangs anymore. This is crazy. I totally look like an emo kid. Now I can see better what I'm working with, and actually, my hair hasn't done too badly despite the fact that it's been bleached this many times. Time to pull out the scissors. The very, very unprofessional scissors. Today, we will be featuring scissors from IKEA. I have no strategy whatsoever. Maybe I should just start cutting. Let's give it a whirl. Welcome to the Bad Kitty Lily Salon. Today, you will be taking a risk with your own hair. If you do not choose to take said risk, then leave immediately. Kind of wish that I had like a marker. I could draw a line. Instead, Okay. Ooh, I kind of like the really super blunt bang. Okay, basic shape is done. Should I go upwards? I don't know. Downwards. Let's try it. So this side definitely is sharper looking than this side is. I also think it might need to be pulled back further. Yeah, it is. That's a little more matched. Since I don't have a hairdressing razor, I've got this little guy here. Look, there's Mr. Gillette. It is working to some degree. I gotta figure out a way of getting all of this stuff off the side here. But I don't have my friend's clippers this time, so it's gonna have to be with scissors. I don't know if I could do this myself. I can see the back of my head over there. Why not? don't know what I'm doing. You know what? Can you chop the back of my hair for me? I started, but I can't do it all.
So you want it like from here?
From, yeah, about there. You could always just take a razor to that part and just shave off the I don't know what those are called.
Horns?
Yes, shave off my horns. That way people don't know I'm Satan.
Okay, that's gonna have to do for now.
That's not correct. Okay, that looks about right. Is it? I don't know. Oh my god. Maybe not. I think that's about right. I think the cutting part is done and over with. Yay! Now I'm just gonna style it. Ta-da! Look folks, here it is. Hair done. Not bad. I also gotta say thanks to my mom for helping me out with the back there. Otherwise, who knows what could have happened. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video, and remember, this is not a tutorial, but good luck with your own hair if you do decide to. Anyways, ciao for now. It's been a delight, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'd give myself an amateur A.